Yodelay, 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 all around a water tank, waiting for a train, 1,000 miles away from home, sleeping in the rain. I walked up to a brakeman to give him a line of talk. He said, if you've got the money, I'll see that you don't walk. Well, I haven't got a nickel, not a penny can I show. Get off, you railroad bum. And he slammed the boxcar door. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay. Well, he put me off in Texas, a state I dearly love. The wide open spaces all around me, the moon and stars up above. Nobody seems to want me, to lend me a helping hand. I'm on my way from Frisco, headed back to Dixieland. My pocketbook is empty, my heart is filled with pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train. Yodelay, yodelay, yodelay.